Hello, in this video I would like to show you my mini CNC lathe. My lathe was originally manual, but I dismantled some parts. Some parts except the bed, headstock and saddle. The spindle is powered by 3-phase motor 0.75 kilowatts, whereas X and Z axis are powered by stepper motor 1.9 Newton-meters in Nema 23 case. On X axis is a metric screw, but on Z axis is ball screw. Everything is controlled from the program Mach3 lathe. Except the spindle, which is controlled from the front panel of inverter. I show you. Hertz. Okay. Oh. Now working. X and Z axis is controlled from Mach3. I'll show you. Left, right, the X axis. Okay, the spindle is turned off and on from the program that I show you, and that's it. In the next video I show you how I connected this to this, this to this, this to this, and supply to this. Okay, bye.